We're going to cook a very simple dish. We've managed to rustle up some things out of the cupboard here. This is just a garlic butter pasta, but with a lot of flavour. Got the pan on heat there. We've also got our pasta's been boiling away over there for 6-7 minutes. So we're going to start off with, first things first, we're just going to put half a butter in straight away. Right, so we're just going to start melting our butter. What we're going to do, just to make life easier, we're going to grate. So I've got 3 garlic cloves. Just going to grate these in. With all these recipes with garlic and your gingers and your chilies, you can always get your jars, which you can keep in the fridge, more of a store item. You can also get your pastes, which are also very useful. So we're just going to get a light bit of colour on this. Okay, so we're going to turn this down just a little medium heat. So we smell the garlic coming off there now. We have our spaghetti cooked here. We're going to drop this straight into our butter. Don't worry about a little bit of starch water. Just going to keep this to one side because we might want some of the starch water in a minute. We're going to give that a little stir. And that's mixing into the garlic and the butter. And now what we're going to do quickly is add our remaining butter. Drop that in. We just want to melt that in quickly. So far we've got our 2 ingredients, the garlic and the butter, 2 main ingredients. While that's melting away, a good amount of pepper. Okay, so we're going to give that a stir to get the butter in. It should be getting a bit of a velvety consistency. I'm going to put a little bit more butter in there, I think. Everything's good with butter. Okay, so we'll melt that in there. Okay, so that's nice and velvety. We're just going to pour just a little bit more starch water. Maybe a little bit more pasta, let's not waste. And then we're just going to give that a stir and let it create a little velvety sauce. So I'm quite happy with that sauce, just maybe a little bit more starch water. You've got a nice velvety sauce just coming through there now. Now, so we're going to take this off the heat, and now we're just going to grate in some pecorino, 50 grams of pecorino. We'll put some more in a minute, we'll give that a little stir. You see that very velvety kind of sauce coming together. A little more pepper. And then, just to finish it off, we've got some parsley. Going to roughly chop up. Give that a little stir. Okay, so let's just plate this up. Just to finish it off, just another little bit of sprinkling with the pepperoni cheese. You don't need a lot, and just a little bit more parsley on top. And there we go.